found you, I'd never have this feeling in my heart.